Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply 88. Today I have for you one of the last. This is a 2003 Bobcat 753G series. As far as I'm concerned, the 753G and 763G were some of the best machines Bobcat ever made. No electronical garbage, tier 2 motors. None of that crap that's going on today with the newer stuff. Machine has just 3,587 hours. Was sold right here new at our local Bobcat dealer, and this machine has been in our area its whole life. It's got normal scratches and things. Wasn't a farm machine. Small little contractor had it. The paint is still in nice shape, other than the back corners are skin up. Has actually almost new. They're probably 85 or 95%. Bobcat heavy duty 10/16/5 tires on. Actually has a Bobcat factory 62-inch HD series bucket with the heavy cast back. These were just a good all-around machine. I love the little 753s. We're going to go ahead and start right here in the back engine compartment, take you completely around this machine. Back door still good and straight. Isn't all bent up or anything like that. And the guy even wrote in the back door, I thought it was pretty cool. Bought new 6/6 of 03. That's when he bought it. Bought new 6/6/03. So, rear door weight. That's powered by the 43.5 horsepower Kubota V2203. 4-cylinder diesel engine. By far one of the best little Kubota motors ever built. Parts are easy to get for these. Very simple to work on and service and take care of. We've had the machine in the shop. Serviced it. All new air filter, in and outer. Fuel filter, engine oil, hydraulic. Everything is serviced. Has a almost new Napa battery in it. Just a good all-around clean machine. Again, we did paint the back door because it had that normal paint, faded orange on the back. We went ahead and painted it, but good running, working little machine here. Again, this is a G and it is an 03. I run the serial number. It is an 03, so that is the very last of them. Coming on up front here. Rims are excellent condition. The booms are usually welded and busted right here at the tilt tower. It's not. It's very good and clean there. Again, standard skid steer, quick tacks, auxiliary hydraulics. That is a look at the bucket. I mean, not to burn anywhere on it whatsoever. I'll show you up here in the dash. These little machines have got really hard to find because they're a popular export machine. We have no air lights, 3587 on the hours. I'll push and hold the code button. No codes, we'll start it. No active code, so you know that. I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera back over to Dad, and we're going to run and work this machine, show you that everything's supposed to do. 03, okay? 753G. Last of the last here. Hard to find. 3,587 hours. It's not wore out. Quick catch is good and tight. It's not welded and busted. No low ball, stupid, ridiculous offers. I think I priced this machine very accordingly. Right in here in the winter time. And them little 53s are hard to find. You know, this stuff's coming out with this tier 4 stuff. Nobody wants it. You can work on this machine. There's not a single oil leak. Nice, clean skid loader. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. We'll be glad to help you in any way. If you want to come by and see it yourself, I have nothing to hide. 814-658-3066. Thanks for checking out Mark Supply 88. As always, happy eBay.